Hi class. So now that you have spent some time with my Prezi, I think you should be ready for a little test. Let's see what you know. Work along with me here and let's fill in the names for the parts of the flower. So we're going to start off by figuring out what is the name of this part of the flower that would go in this box right here. If you said petal, you're correct. Moving right along here, I think we should take a look at the male parts of the flower. And the male parts of the flower are known as the stamen. A trick to remember the name of the male parts is called stamen is it has the word men right in the word. Okay, so these two pieces here are the male parts of the flower. What do we call this part right here? That would be the anther. And the piece that supports the anther is known as the filament. Great. Let's move right along and now talk about the female parts of the flower. And the name for all of the female parts of the flower is the carpel. But if you said pistil, you're also correct. These parts are known as either the carpel or the pistil. So the first part here of the female parts of the flower, right up on top here, is called the stigma. And what do we call this part? This long tube. If you said style, you are correct. Now down here at the bottom of the style, we have an area that contains what will become the seeds. And these are called the ovule. And the part that holds these seeds, the ovary. Well, there's only one left, and it's these protective leaves out here, known as sepal. Alright, let's check how we did. Fantastic. Alright. We're going to move right along now and take a look and compare our picture of a flower with a real flower. Okay, we're back. And like I said, we're going to be comparing the picture of the flower with all the parts labeled with an actual flower that has been cut in half so we can see the inside. So to start with, we can see the petals here. These brightly colored petals back here on the real flower. Outside the flower, protecting it, the sepal. Here's the sepal for the real flower, 1 and 2. Let's take a look at the stamen, okay, which contains both the anther, right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, it looks like. And the filament, of course, the stalks that support each of the anthers. Moving to the female parts of the flower, we see we have the stigma right up here at the top, the style, and the ovary with the ovules, or the seeds. Here's our ovary. Not sure I'm actually seeing any seeds in there, but that's where they would be if we had any. All right, there you have it.